hampering the progress of the work.
The 5-day autumn session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly will be held from August 23rd to 30th. Talking to reporters after the meeting of the Business Advisory Committee here on Friday, Assembly Speaker Thomas A. Sangma informed that there will be no change in as far as the post of the leader of opposition is concerned.
The business BSc meeting was held today, and it was unanimously accepted. The draft calendar that was submitted. So the autumn session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly will be convened on the 23rd of August. Will continue till 30th of August.
The